Terry Kirk had an article in the Globe and Mail that we took a look at, which we thought was really helpful and relevant, obviously, to what we do at emilynow.ca. And it was some tips on how to secure funding for your business. The article started off by mentioning an Ernst & Young study, a big accounting firm, that showed 73% of entrepreneurs in Canada say that it remains difficult to access financing. And then Terry goes on to list sort of 10 tips for businesses to take advantage of if they're looking to secure funding. But there was one tip that stood out particularly for me that I thought I would expand on a little bit, and it was financing is a process, not a singular task. And as you've heard me say, or as our clients have heard me say over the years, most every business is going to need to fund itself at some point. And better than that, it's probably going to need financing at some point. Very few businesses can grow out of the cash that their business makes. At some point, they do take on financing to help them grow faster or to help them ease the growth pains as they're going. And so an example of that might be if a business signs up a brand new client, they typically have to cover the wages and the costs associated with bringing that new client on and starting to work on their file before they get, or their sale maybe, before they get their first check. And so somehow they need to float those costs until those checks start coming in from this new client. So they'll look for working capital to do that, as an example. Or maybe a business is looking to grow and it realizes that it's going to have a gap between its payables and its receivables. So they'll need somehow to fill that gap, and so financing will be required. Or maybe they need to purchase a competitor to help take a bigger piece of the market faster. Well, they're going to need a term loan to buy that competitor, because very rarely will they have the cash sitting in their bank. And so most businesses have to wrestle with this financing beast at some point. And more importantly, businesses typically have to do it over and over again. And so financing being a process and not a singular task couldn't be more spot on with what our experience teaches us. And so it can be hard to obtain financing, or at least my opinion is that it can be hard to obtain financing as a business, because many times the business is simply not ready. The business knows it needs money, but it's not a bank. So it doesn't understand, what is a bank going to look for, what criteria do I have to meet, and businesses tend to have this idea in their head that, oh, it's just going to be difficult. No matter what I do, I'm not going to be able to get approved. And so they tend to just stay away. Or if they do go to the bank, they do it because they know they don't have any other option, but they go unprepared. And so then they spend tons of time faxing and emailing and calling and just sending information over to the bank, and over a series of weeks, maybe they get an answer. But they tend not to be prepared most of the time. And for me, that's why I tend to see that it's hard for businesses to access financing, or why you'll talk to a bunch of businesses who will say, oh, it's really hard to get financing. Well, I believe it's not. I believe that the banks, they exist for a reason. They are still part of our economy for a reason. They're very profitable for a reason, and that reason is because they do lend money. Yes, they charge us service fees, and they seem to get us for everything that they can, but at the core of what they do lend money. And businesses simply need to get comfortable with that, and they need to be able to plan a little bit so that they can approach the bank with confidence, knowing that they're going to get approved. And so we would encourage businesses to visit emilynow.ca. In fact, that's why we built the platform, because we deal with small businesses. Our specialty is working with businesses who need less than $10 million, which is a very fragmented marketplace with all different types of financing needs and all different types of lenders. But emilynow.ca was meant to alleviate the pain and the burden of a business trying to figure out, can I even get approved? If I can get approved, which banks are going to approve me, and what criteria do I need to meet? So we've made it really, really simple. In less than 5 minutes, without even creating an account, you can see the basic outline of what it's going to take to get your business financing. You can see the banks that would probably approve you. And then if you choose to register for an account, you can then refine that information and get something very specific to your business and send your requests out to the banks for them to review. And so, yep, we agree that financing is a continuous process. It's not something you do once and then you never do it again. And we believe that at emilynow.ca that we're trying to help businesses who find themselves in that position of saying, man, it's really difficult to get financing, because we don't believe it is, and we believe that the money is there if you're simply ready and prepared to get approved.